Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we are boiling a wig. Yes, we are boiling a wig. Oh yeah, and wigs in this channel are hair too. So today is hair too day. So I already have my water boiling on the stove. So I'm going to add olive oil onto it, a conditioner, and a deep conditioner. So we don't need a lot of it. We're just gonna put a little bit of each. Looks like that is already used up, but I'm gonna put water in it and rinse it off and use it all up. I'm telling you, the African in me is not gonna let it go. It's not gonna put anything to it. So I rinsed that thing and squeezed everything out. I'm giving that a very good stir so that I can put the wig inside. So a little backstory about this wig boiling thing. So I was at the drag mart one time, and there's this girl who works there. I can say she's my friend because we are always friendly to each other, and she had this really nice wig on, and I asked her where she got it from because my wig is getting old. That's exactly what I told her. My wig is getting old. So I was shopping around for a new wig, and then she's like, "Girl, boil that wig." I'm like, "What?" And then she's like, "Yeah, boil it. Just put it, boil the water. Make sure the water boils first, and then put the conditioner in it, and boil it." So here I am boiling my wig. I went extra and added the deep conditioner and the olive oil in it because, why not? Those things can help revive a wig. So I boiled this wig for 10 minutes, or was it 15 minutes? I boiled this wig, and then I made sure every part of the wig was deep in the water. So the wig is boiled, the wig is ready. Yeah, so it's really hot. Like you if you're gonna do this, don't touch it. So I had to let it sit for a little bit and cool down for a little bit, and then I ran warm water, like more to the hot side but not very hot, because I didn't want to shock it with cold water. So I had to slowly reduce that heat in it. So yeah, so I'm enjoying combing it because it was already matte. You say matte, I don't know that word, because it was already like that and tangled and stuff. So it's taking me a little longer to detangle every strand, but then it's much easier than when I would wash before, and I'm losing close to nothing hair strands while I'm doing this. So this is quite interesting. I'm loving this. So as you can see, I'm taking my time with it to rinse it off, making sure all that product goes off. I'm gonna rinse it and keep rubbing it with my hands until all the product is out, because we don't want it to look to have some residue in it once it's dry. So now that it's done with the rinsing, I'm just gonna put it back on my mannequin head and leave it suspended to the sink to drip all the water there and dry from there. This is next day. Like, look at that wig. Like, look at that wig. I know some parts are stiff. Well, the whole thing dried up stiff. I don't know the reasoning behind that. It dried up stiff, but look at that. And if you realize, it lost all the curls. This hair was loose body wave, but now you can see it lost, after boiling it, it lost all the curls. And but I'm not even mad. I'm not upset. Look at it. It looks like brand new. It has some shine to it. The strands look like really nice. I'm very satisfied. I'm like, why did I not know about this before, you know? Anyway, just enjoy the look. Look at that. If you have a wig that is old and you're almost throwing it away, just do this thing and see, boil that wig and see what turns out. Well, today was a short video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments how you like this, if you're gonna try this on your wig, if you had tried this before. Enjoy more contents on my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, comment, like. Until next time, bye.